Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn contact list using Zoho CRM step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn contact list using Zoho CRM, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your connections by clicking on the My Network tab at the top of the homepage. In the Connections section, locate and select Manage Connections. Click on the Export Connection. You will be prompted to confirm the export. Select the appropriate option to proceed. LinkedIn will prepare a CSV file of your connections. Once the file is ready, you will receive an email with a download link. Open the email and download your CSV file containing your LinkedIn contacts. Next, log into your Zoho CRM account using your credentials. In Zoho CRM, navigate to the Contacts module from the main menu. Click on the Import button, usually located at the top right corner of the Contacts page. Select the option to upload a file and choose the CSV file you downloaded from LinkedIn. Follow the prompts to map the fields from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM. Make sure all required fields are correctly mapped before proceeding. Review the import settings and ensure they align with your preferences. Once everything is set, click on the Import button to begin the process. Wait for the import to complete, which may take a few moments depending on the number of contacts. After the import is finished, check your Contacts module to verify that all LinkedIn connections have been successfully added. If necessary, organize your newly imported contacts using tags or notes for easy retrieval. Your LinkedIn contact list is now backed up within Zoho CRM and easily accessible for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.